Hello, my name is Kedge and I am the Director of the McKenzie Friends UK Network. I am a retired police chief inspector and I've been a McKenzie friend since 2012, and in my blogs all my views and opinions are entirely my own. And today we're going back to basics, with the title of this blog being Family Courts Don't Need Lawyers. If my boiler needs a service, I would need a gas engineer. Why? Because I can't do it myself. It would be illegal. If my home electrics needed fixing, I would get an electrician because I can't do it myself. It needs a qualified electrician. If I break a leg, I would go to hospital because I need the help of expert medical professionals. However, if I want to apply to court to get access to my children or resolve our family finances, I would do it myself because I can, and it's not complicated or difficult. It is a process that the family court takes you through from start to finish. I would save myself tens of thousands of pounds on completely unnecessary lawyer fees. Now, if I actually had that money, I'd use it instead to support my children's future, whether it be supporting them through education or helping them with housing. But I would never, ever take out a loan or place money on a credit card for a lawyer. That would be irresponsible, and I may leave myself in lifelong crippling debt. You see, I understand the following. There's very little law in the family court process. It is a process based on simple, defined, determining factors, checklists and principles that we know very well as experienced McKenzie friends. There is no expectation or requirement that you need to know any law whatsoever. The only person who needs to know the law is a judge, and they know it very well indeed. So what's the point of spending thousands on lawyers telling the judge what the judge already knows? As McKenzie friends, as non-legal entities, we also know the very little law that exists in the family court process. Anyone can understand it. It doesn't take a law degree. You see, I also understand that there is absolutely no advantage to having a lawyer and no disadvantage from not having a lawyer. The judiciary explains that themselves in the Equal Treatment Benchbook in the version dated March 2020. You cannot be disadvantaged by representing yourself in the same way, in exactly the same way that you cannot be disadvantaged through disability, mental health, gender, sexual orientation, mental capacity, social exclusion and poverty, religion, race, culture and ethnicity. And the Equal Treatment Benchbook tells you that. I also understand that nowhere does it say get a lawyer. Nowhere do the courts or judiciary or government websites say that you need a lawyer or to get a lawyer. Nowhere does it encourage you to get a lawyer. Why? Because you don't need them. See, the courts only encourage you to go to mediation. So let's recap. If there is very little law, you don't need to know any law, there is no advantage in having a lawyer, and no one is telling you to get a lawyer, why on earth are people paying tens of thousands of pounds on unnecessary lawyers, often getting themselves into lifelong crippling debt on credit cards and loans? The good thing is that tens of thousands of people every year are now understanding this and are ditching any idea of paying for lawyers and are empowering themselves to self-represent and litigate through the family court process with the support of McKenzie friends like myself to guide you through every stage of the process and to assist with all the paperwork. So if you would like to discuss any aspect of your family court case, please give me a call.